welcome back to Lila's Life and Slime Time. So I'm here with my friend Allegra, who you heard laughing.
Hi.
So we're gonna be making some fun slime.
I got gold.
So we're gonna be using a little bit of clear glue and a little bit of glitter glue.
Oh, you can.
So,
I'm gonna use the.
wait, Allegra, open mine.
I can't open yours.
No, but I need help.
Hey, you have to move it so I'm in here too.
So, we've got.
There.
So, okay, so add some clear glue. I've just got this big old
I
gallon.
can't open it. Ow!
Can you get a?
Someone open it.
Here.
Okay, I'm gonna add some clear glue into it.
Can you hand me a paper towel right now?
Sorry, we're experiencing technical difficulties. Please stand by. How much do I add? That much?
Yeah, that's
Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Why not? Take that. Shitty.
okay. So now she's gonna add. I got this.
My gold, all of my gold glitter?
All?
Yeah.
No, not all. Cause you want a little bit.
Okay.
So I'm gonna add some clear glue in.
I added a little bit. Like that?
Let me see. Oh, you can add a lot more.
Oh, yay.
Oh, what happened to the lid, Allegra? For the gallon.
I know. So I'm the
Wait, did you lose it? Seriously, where is it?
I don't know. You had it.
Oh.
So I'm Lila's friend.
So I'm just gonna put some black glitter glue because I want a black and because I want a galaxy.
Oh, that's why you chose it.
Yeah.
Well,
I
I
want
got
a
gold because I got gold.
Oh. Oh, that's good. That's way too much. Whoa.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, I forgot a spatula. My bad. Wait, give me 1 second.
Wait,
talk to them.
Okay, hi. So if you don't know, I'm Allegra and Lila let me come on her channel because I'm in a play date. And if you hear talking or screaming, that's probably her little brother, and then our moms are talking. So yeah, I just came over for a play date because I go to Lila's school.
Alright, sorry about that. Here. Okay, so we've just got the spatula. So
Now
what your slime should look like. It should look about like this. So the clear slime is the clear stuff and the black is that. And that's clear slime and the gold slime. Whatever.
now we mix it.
Okay, so
Sorry, you guys.
sorry about that.
Sorry, you guys. Can I mix it now? Hey, I
Alright,
gotta get
so-
in it too.
Now we're gonna just mix.
Mix it now.
Mix
Mix it like Lila. Oh, did you know that wait, we're gonna do a Q&A. Who's your best friend at school?
Can I say?
Yeah, it's fine.
Probably Ariella.
Yeah, I knew that. My best friend's Abby. So, yeah, but
It's fine.
yeah. And what is your favorite animal?
I don't like animals much. No offense to animal lovers, but now we're gonna add some shaving cream.
Why did you say no offense to animal lovers?
I don't like animals.
Oh, I like hamsters. Thank you, pigs.
I don't like that many.
I want it really fluffy.
No, we're not gonna make it too fluffy, or else it's gonna level down our color,
Okay.
and we don't want that to happen.
Oh yeah, that's happened to me before when I added some shaving.
Yay!
That's
Mine's
really
gonna
good.
turn gray. I'm gonna add more to that.
I have to add more gold.
Maybe yours looks like weird.
Well, I don't care. It's gonna turn out pretty anyways, and I don't care. I'm gonna add some more. Hey, Lila, why are you excluding me from the picture? Are you gonna post this?
Me.
Hey, you have to post it. Oh,
I'll
there's
try. I have a bunch of things that I meant to post.
What do you do on this channel?
So, what we're doing is today it's New Year's Eve. It's not New Year's, it's New Year's Eve. Okay, just saying. There's a difference between New Year's Day and New Year's Eve. So that's super confusing. Okay.
Yeah, right.
So mix. So we just added a little bit more glue, and this is what your mixture should look like. Around like this, the color might have leveled a little bit down when you add the shaving cream. That's okay.
is cool though. There's still gold specks in it. At least that's cool. We have to like move that back. Yeah. Well, it's at least it's still cool. So
if you guys want, you guys can. Now it's time to add your activator. This is a little guy. It's some shave. It's not shaving cream. It's contact lens solution. If you guys are adding baking soda, add it now before the contact lens solution. But I don't add baking soda, so just add a little bit of shaving cream. I need some. Or
hey, don't get Lila, you got it on me. Lila, you got it on me.
Sorry.
You got it on my.
And you should kind of see it start to thicken up, but just add a little bit at a time.
Have you ever used Elmer's magical activator?
Yeah. You?
Yeah.
It's kind of like borax. I don't use borax.
Neither do I. One of my neighbors used it, and like she got her hands kind of got burned. I don't know.
Yeah, borax is dangerous if you have cuts.
Yeah. Oh God, mine's not coming together at all.
If you need, you can add baking soda, but because we added shaving cream, it should start looking like.
Oh yeah, it's coming together. Oh yeah, it is coming together.
Whoa, mine's really big.
Oh, mine's really coming together now.
Okay, mine looks pretty good. So go in with one hand when you think your slime is ready. Mine's not because it feels like glue. Shaving
mine's
cream.
coming together, I think. Mine.
It feels like underactivated slime.
Lila, stop getting so all over me. This usually makes like slime.
Whoa, it's.
I was yesterday for the first time.
Yeah.
That's when I'm like, oh, everything hurts. Everything hurts. What did I do with my phone? My favorite game to play. I don't know where mine went from here. No, different.
So really just keep on mixing.
I'm using a lot.
And kneading.
I'm using a lot.
Mine's coming together already.
So is mine. Can I take this out? Where did I
Yeah,
put it?
you just put it on.
Okay. It's coming together.
And sometimes if you didn't add enough shaving cream, that's the problem. If you didn't add enough shaving cream, that's usually the solution. So just add a little bit of shaving cream.
Okay, I'm gonna add
If it's not coming together.
Yeah, mine's
Mine's coming together already because I added a bunch of contact lens solution and shaving cream.
You didn't give me that much shaving. Oh, now it's coming together. You didn't give me enough shaving cream, Lila. How rude. Mine's definitely coming together. Lila's rude. She didn't give me enough. Oh, and make sure to subscribe.
And turn on the notification bell, comment down below, hit that like button. There's a lot of things. Whoa.
Oh, and also make sure to like Allegra's channel. It's at allegra.com.
She does not have a channel.
Well, I have merch. I literally do have merch. So go to allegra.com and you can shop my merch. It's really epic.
March.
Merch. It's like t-shirts and stuff. I have really cool t-shirts, hats, and everything that I know you guys are gonna love.
Wait,
So,
you really?
I really do have merch shop.
Oh my god, that's weird.
No, it's not. I got merch.
Wait, where do you go, on YouTube or do you go on like Safari or something? Move the,
Oh, sorry.
the bowl is too there. Yeah, you need to move it. Yeah.
Lila's taking up the whole thing. Piece of screen.
Okay, so I'm gonna dump that out. Alright.
So am I.
Oh wait, I have I have glue at the bottom of the bowl.
I don't. I kind of. I mean, I have to roll on my sleeves. Lila. Mom, can you roll on my sleeves? Oh, this is definitely working.
Yeah, what's the goal here?
My other sleeve. Lila.
Oh, gray slime?
No, it was supposed to be
Have
black.
you ever made the magnetic one with iron filings? Coco keeps showing me that video. You can put iron filings in it and make magnetic slime, and then you take a magnet, and it's crazy because it pulls the slime. Where is it?
Oh, mine's coming up.
Sorry. Okay, it's super like.
Mine's like white with gold specks. It's actually not ugly. It's like white with gold specks. It's not actually bad.
Wow, this is like it has hollow glitter, holographic glitter.
Hello.
Hello, baby, hello.
Have you ever?
Hello, baby, hello.
Oh yeah, that's. Oh, are you excited that? Oh, are you excited that Miss Abundantia is pregnant?
No, she looks beautiful.
Wow!
No
How
offense.
offensive! When you say no offense, that means you're trying to offend someone.
No offense to her, but she looks like weird because she's super bad.
That's what you do when you get pregnant. Lila, have you ever seen pregnant videos?
Of course I have. I watch time lapse of pregnant people, and I watch people kiss pregnant people, and I watch how babies are born. It's disgusting, but okay.
Out of a vagina?
Yeah, it's not out of a vagina.
Out of a
Your
belly?
slime is good. My slime feels better though.
Hey, how rude.
Okay, so guys, this is what our final. This is what our.
Did
you finish this?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, it worked. It worked. The activator worked. Oh, and I got it on the screen.
Whatever. Here we go. So this is our final results. Mine is well kneaded or combined. Hers not so much. She's not like.
It is combined, Lila.
Yeah, hers is, but I think she needs a lot more kneading.
I'm kneading it, Lila.
Mine's pretty good with the kneading part or the process. It's a little sticky, but
Well, if my sister was here, she would be doing the worst job.
okay. Please hit that like and subscribe button.
Please hit that thumbs down for
Please comment down below if you want another glitter glue or fluffy slime. It definitely should kind of be a little metallic-y later because we added clear glue into it and some shaving cream, which is a key to making metallic slime without pigment.
Oops.
So later on, it should look pretty cool, but because we added the glitter,
Sorry.
no.
So sorry, Lila.
Wait, no, we're not making puppy slime yet. Okay, so please hit that like and subscribe button, and bye!